Hello everyone and welcome to this video. It's been a moment since I've connected with you and I thought I want to share with you a quick workflow with ArcGIS Pro AI Assistant. So if we jump to my ArcGIS Pro, you see I have a service requests here in Norway. Now this service's request is a random data set. Nothing is real, it's just for the sake of demo. I've got a category field with different requests out in there, and I'd like to symbolize by this field. Now, if you're familiar with ArcGIS Pro, you might know that you can go to Symbology, click on single layer, unique values, and then choose the category you want to symbolize with, which is an easy step. But someone new to ArcGIS Pro might find this a little bit of a tour to get to what they want. And with that, I really believe that AI assistants are here to democratize the use of ArcGIS. So I'm gonna go to help, open my AI assistant and click on actions. And then before really hitting in, I'm gonna go back to how my feature looked like and just paste a prompt in here. Symbolize service requests by category field and push send. It's again relatively simple to go and click your way through this, but think of starting this workflow for the first time. It's a much easier way. It will take a moment, and as you can see, these are different services requests that are symbolized by the category field. Now again, this is all fake data, nothing real, but it's just a way to show how these assistants can help us get fast and good results.